Good morning. Welcome to our salon. My name is Leo.
Good morning, Leo. I want to change my hairstyle today.
That is a great idea. Your hair is very beautiful and thick.
Thank you so much, but it is too long and very heavy.
Do you want a short haircut or just a little bit shorter?
I want it shorter, maybe to my shoulders, like a classic bob.
A bob will look perfect on you. It is very professional too.
That is good news. I am a teacher and I start tomorrow.
Congratulations on your new job. Teachers always need to look fresh.
I agree with you. I want to feel confident in my classroom.
Should we change the color too, or keep the natural brown?
I like my brown color, but maybe we can add some light?
We can add sun-kissed highlights. They look very natural and bright.
Sun-kissed sounds very lovely. Let's do that for the summer.
Perfect choice, Emma. Please put on this black protective cape now.
Okay, I am ready. It is very comfortable and very clean.
Do you have a photo, or should I just start cutting?
I have a photo on my phone. Look at this girl here.
Oh, I see. She has soft waves and a lot of volume.
Yes, exactly like that. Can you make my hair look like hers?
I can do even better. Your hair has a better texture, Emma.
You are very kind. I am a little bit nervous about it.
Don't be nervous. I have 10 years of experience in this salon.
10 years is a long time. I am in very safe hands.
Yes, you are. Now let's go to the wash station first. Look at this color book. We have 50 shades of brown.
Wow, so many options. I like this warm caramel shade here.
That is a very popular choice. It matches your brown eyes perfectly.
Do you think it is too bright? I want to look professional.
No, it is subtle. It only glows when you are in the sun.
That is exactly what I want. Not too much, just a little.
We call it honey brown. It makes your face look very warm.
Honey brown sounds sweet. I will take this one, please, Leo.
I am mixing the color now. It will take 15 minutes.
Is the color safe? I have very sensitive skin on my head.
Yes, it is organic. It has no strong chemicals or bad smells.
That is a relief. I don't like the smell of strong hair dye.
Our salon uses only natural products. We care about your health.
I can smell flowers. Is that the color or a candle?
It is the color. It has rose oil and some lavender inside.
Lavender is very relaxing. I feel like I'm in a spa.
Stay very still. I am starting from the roots.
It feels a bit cold, but it is a very nice feeling.
We will wait for 20 minutes. Do you want some green tea?
Yes, please. I love green tea with a little bit of lemon.
I will bring it now. Here is a magazine for you to read.
Thank you, Leo. You are a very attentive and professional stylist.
Thank you, Emma. Enjoy your tea while the magic happens today.
This magazine has many beautiful dresses. I love the fashion.
You can choose a dress for your first day at school. The time is up. Let's wash your hair in the sink.
The chair is very soft. I can close my eyes and relax.
Is the water temperature okay? Is it too hot or too cold?
It is perfect. It feels like a warm rain on my head.
I am using a special shampoo. It protects your new hair color.
It smells like oranges. I love fresh citrus smells in the morning.
Now I will give you a massage. It helps with the blood flow.
Oh, that feels amazing. I think I'm going to fall asleep.
Many customers sleep here. It is the best part of the day.
I can believe that. My head feels very light and very relaxed.
I am applying the conditioner now. It makes your hair very soft.
My hair is always tangled. Do you have a special brush for it?
Yes, I have a magic brush. It never pulls your hair, Emma.
I need a magic brush. My mornings are always very busy and fast.
I will give you one as a gift. It is our promotion today.
Really? That is so generous. You are making me very happy.
It is my pleasure. Happy customers are the best advertisement for me.
I will tell all my teacher friends about your wonderful salon.
Thank you, Emma. Word of mouth is very important in this city.
Now I am ready for the haircut. I am a little excited.
Let's dry it with a towel first. Please sit up slowly, Emma.
My hair feels very clean. It feels much lighter than before, Leo.
The water took away all the dust. Your hair is glowing now.
I can't wait to see the final result in the big mirror.
Follow me back to the chair. The scissors are ready for us. I am starting the cut. We're going for the shoulder length.
Yes, please. Can you cut the ends? They are very dry.
I will cut 2 inches. That will remove all the dry parts.
Snip, snip. I can hear the scissors. It is a satisfying sound.
I am making layers. Layers give your hair a lot of movement.
Will it be easy to style? I don't have much time.
Yes, it is a wash and go style. Very easy for teachers.
That is perfect for me. I usually have only 5 minutes.
Do you want a fringe, or bangs, as they say in America?
No, no bangs. I want my hair away from my face.
Good choice. It keeps your face open and very bright today.
Can I tie it back? For my gym class in the afternoon.
Yes, it is long enough for a ponytail. You are very practical.
I try to be. Life is busy, but I want to be stylish.
You can be both. Modern women need practical and beautiful hair.
Look at all that hair on the floor. I am a new person.
It is just hair, Emma. It grows back very, very fast.
I know, but it feels like a big change for me today.
Change is good. It gives you new energy for your new job.
I agree. I feel younger and more energetic already, Leo.
Almost finished with the back. Now let's do the front part.
Make it a bit longer in the front. I like that look.
Like an A-line bob? That is very elegant and very trendy.
Yes, exactly. You understand my style perfectly, Leo.
Now let's dry it. The hairdryer is a bit loud, sorry.
I am using a round brush for volume.
It feels very warm. My hair is drying very quickly now.
Look at the color. The honey brown is starting to appear.
Oh, it is so bright. It looks like real gold in the light.
I told you, it matches your skin tone and your brown eyes.
I love it. It is not too much, it is just perfect.
I am using some hair oil now. It adds a beautiful shine.
Is it greasy? I don't want my hair to look dirty, Leo.
No, it's a dry oil. It absorbs into the hair instantly.
It smells like coconuts. I feel like I am on a beach.
A beach in a salon. That is a good dream, Emma.
My hair is so soft. I want to touch it all day.
Please wait. I am using some hairspray for the final hold.
Is it a strong spray? I want my hair to move naturally.
It is a flexible spray. Your hair will move, but stay beautiful.
You are a real magician, Leo. This is a transformation.
I am just a stylist. You were the one who was beautiful.
Thank you. I am ready to see the back of my head.
1 second. I am fixing one small hair near your ear.
You are very detail-oriented. I appreciate your hard work today.
Done. Now I will show you the back with this mirror.
Oh, wow! The layers are so neat and so perfectly even.
Do you like the length? Is it too short for you now?
No, it is exactly what I wanted. It is the perfect bob.
I am very happy. Now let's go to the cash desk.
I am looking in the mirror. I can't believe it is me.
It is you, Emma, the new, confident teacher of English.
I feel so ready for my students. Thank you so much, Leo.
You are welcome. How much did you enjoy your time here?
10 out of 10. It was a wonderful and relaxing experience.
The total is $40. This includes the haircut and color.
$40? That is a very good price for such work.
And here is your free gift, Emma.
Thank you. I will use it every morning and think of you.
Please come back in 2 months for a small trim, okay?
I will. I am your regular customer from now on, Leo.
Do you need a receipt for your payment, Miss Emma?
Yes, please. I keep all my receipts in my small wallet.
Here is your receipt. Have a wonderful day at your school.
Goodbye, Leo. Thank you for the tea and the magic hair.
Goodbye, Emma. Good luck with your first lesson tomorrow.
I am walking out now. I feel like a princess.